purple.
I-download video ay mag-spill out. Ito ang tama yung
Training started like this is not just to win the crown, but to win the heart of many people of Amaguan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dominic Arevalo, but tonight allow me to stand in this gathering of a sexy actress, Miss Aubrey Miles. At dito po kami subukan mahalin. At kung hindi po kayo tigaya sa aming piling, sakali po kami risalin. At talagang po manalo sa patimpalas ng gabi nito, ang inyong balatas na liyawan at masigabong palakpakan at magsisiming kapero sa aking pag-uwi sa ating musik tahanan. Once again, good evening, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Candidate number 2.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joel, representing. Thanks.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. At na alam ang tinapiyak ko. Candidate number 3. Miss Tahong. Miss Bisukul.
Bago ko listahin ang apat na sulong ng tabladong ito, gusto ko pong mag-iwan ng mga tagang hindi nyo malilimutan. Kung ang mga babae ay gripo at ang mga lalaki naman ay tubo, kaming mga bakla naman ang tubero, sisip-sip sa mga baradong tubo ng mga thank you.
Siguro magaling siya sumipis-sip. Turuan mo ako. Candidate number 4. Dahan-dahan, Iha. Ano yan? Galing.
Hindi na magawin yung
dog scene. O kasi laylayan nanay nyo, o kasi sexy na nanay nyo, abanalan nyo ako na ang kabit ng tatay nyo. Bawal ka ba? Kasi ikaw nagpapasarap ng mali ko eh.
Pwede ba ka pa? Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome candidate number 5.
Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, Earth. Good evening, Universe. Good evening,
Galaxy.
Filipinas. This is Right in the Central Virginia. No, I'm Julian Santos from Secret. But tonight, I will give you some photos. Great works are performed, not by strength, but by perseverance. That's all, thank you. Christmas tree ka ba? Wala lang.
And our last contestant. Contestant number 6.
Right before you, a 21-year-old spanner from this, our very own, our lovable barangay Amupang. I was named Alan Tatis, but tonight, this we will stand by of the most beautiful women in the Philippine showbiz industry and the box office queen, Miss Ann Curtis. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Ann Cortez. Oh, mahulog ka na naman dyan. May we welcome once again our lovely ladies in their creative attire.